It has been a while. Hey there, worms and germs. It's Sticky Teeth, your icky artist and thrift store whore. It has been a long time since I posted, and I bet you're wondering where I've been. The answer to that is simple. I have been depressed. A lot has happened since the last time I posted. I won't get too into it, but there was just, some illness, some deaths, some things I had to deal with. I'm doing great now. I have a full-time job. It's a lot of fun, and it unfortunately means I still don't have a lot of time to post, but I really want to get back in the game. So I thought we would ease into it with a really simple unboxing video. I was the victim of an Instagram targeted ad that worked really well. Surprisingly for Funko, the ones that do Funko Pops, and I don't really fuck with Funko Pops, but these guys, these little bitches really just tickled that little spot in my brain that said, buy those, buy a bunch of those. I bought 5 of them, plus one little extra that I'll tell you about later. They are PAKA fruit bat mystery guys. So basically they're like bats that are fruit. They're fruit bats. So there's like avocado and dragon fruit, lime, strawberry, pineapple. And usually with these guys you're like, oh, there's a certain one I want to get. For these ones, I will be happy with all of them. I'll be honest, and you're gonna yell at me in the comments for this. I don't fuck with pineapple. Like, I do not like pineapple. It does not taste good to me. It does not feel good on my tongue, or in my brain. All the other ones, I'm hella game for. So let's just jump right into it. Fun, easy, cool video to get back in the swing of things. I did actually, I said I wouldn't talk about when I was gone too much, but I filmed a lot of videos. My phone just went kaput on me and I lost a lot of footage. And it really had me unmotivated for a while to try and redo those videos. So I think I'm just gonna do this guy, really easy, fun time, and then we'll maybe try to remake those videos that I lost. Unfortunately, there's a few sculpture videos, a few different things. So let's get started. Womp, womp, womp. Oh, we got, I think he's a grapefruit guy. Awesome. And it comes with a little thingy so you can see the different ones. So the one I got is Ruby. Yeah, Ruby grapefruits. A big splash of sunshine, tangy and tart, but refreshing every time. Same girl, same. Oh, and there's some different rare types too. It looks like Ruby is common. She's 1 in 12. So let's see if we get any of the rare ones. This one would be cool to get, but we'll see. I'm not usually one for these like little collectible things, but for some reason this concept just really took over my brain. Number 2 is the strawberry one. This one is apparently super common. Okay, so Ruby is common and this one is super common. Well, I don't care because it's adorable. That is Brie. The summer sun makes her sweet. Soaking up its rays makes her sweetness complete. Oh, oh. Number 3 is another Brie. Okay, I was worried that I would get duplicates, but it's cool. They're still super cute. I can put it up on my Depop, which is still active. It was dead for a little bit. It's coming back. It came back, but it's like picking up again. So she might be on there. If you're looking for her, she'll be on there. Now, if I get a third one of her, that might be a little disappointing, but I expected it, like probably at least one multiple. Sorry to keep looking not at you. It's hard to remember to do that. Okay, we got a little lime one. Limey lime. This is Lima, great, which is kind of weird because it makes me think of lima beans. She's delightful and refreshing. A squeeze of her enthusiasm is always a sweet blessing. Another super common one. Oh, actually, wait. Oh, wait. No, the lime one with the green is super common, and the lime one with the yellow is a chaser. So cool. We got a little bit of a rare one. It's not the hyper rare, but it is one of the rare ones, so that's awesome. I would really like a kiwi, dragon fruit, avocado, or watermelon for my last one. So let's see. No pineapple. Now you saw me open it, so you know that I did not plan this. Oh my god, no way. Hyper rare, hyper rare, hyper rare. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I don't know what else to say. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. So we got 2 duplicates, but we got a hyper rare. We got a chaser, and we got, man, I'm just happy. I'm just happy about that. Alrighty, so the little surprise that I told you about. So when I was buying these, I bought a bunch. I bought some things. I bought one for my boyfriend and a few for my coworkers. And so for like to get a discount, I believe I had to get one more. So I was talking about this with my friend Troll Funk. They're a really awesome content creator on Depop and YouTube, and they really liked the Cloud Cats, and they wanted I believe this one or like the pink and purple one. And so I said that I would get one so I could get my discount and give it to them if it was one that they wanted. So let's see. I like the stormy one, so I might keep it if it's a stormy one, but honestly I'm not super into these ones, but that's cool. This is difficult. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, cool. I think this is one that they'll like. It's the purple rainbow version. So I will go ahead and send that over to them. One of the videos I'm going to be making soon is finally putting up my bundle unboxing from them. I got it months ago, and it'll be up soon. I can't say exactly when, but we'll see. So it looks like the purple rainbow is common, 1 out of 12, but that's cool because that's one that they wanted, I believe. That worked out great. So I do want to say I'm not usually one for these unboxing videos that aren't a haul from someplace secondhand or someplace small. I think it does contribute a lot to consumerism and waste. These plastic balls will be recycled. It's okay. It's totally fine, and you don't need to feel guilty for treating yourself every once in a while. This is just a little treat for me. But just, you have to be conscious when you do these things. You can't just, I feel like if you're doing unboxing videos every single week or every, something like that, you're just consuming these things that just contribute to a lot of landfills. These are things that I know that I will genuinely enjoy and keep for a long time, and this duplicate will be sold to someone who wants it. So that's that on that. Thanks so much for watching. I will be back again at a later but undetermined date, and I hope that maybe that was enjoyable a little bit, and it's good to be back. So